Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today we are making the All Glammed Up shoe card by Heartfelt Creations. It's a class kit. So first up, I'm going to add some ink. I'm using Angel Pink, and I'm just going to shade in some ink on the edges. It's by Memento. So along the edges, I'm just shading in the Angel Pink around the heel and also the toe of the shoe. I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit, and I'll also shade in some of that Angel Pink along the flowers. I hope you can see the card. It's really shiny, so I do adjust the lighting a little bit so you can see, because it is embossed. You want to get in the Angel Pink around some of the florals. I do color in the roses, and the sponge daubers just help me shade in the pink. It's a quick and easy coloring. I use the daubers a lot. I don't really focus too much on if I'm inside the lines or not. It still makes a pretty card. Now, the reason why I'm not focused too much on if it's inside the lines or outside the lines is because we're going to cover up some of those florals with some dimensional flowers. Now I'm using some bamboo leaves to shade in the greenery of, the flowers, and that's the leaves. So again, I don't focus too much on if I'm inside the lines or outside the lines, because again, we're going to cover up those flowers with some dimensional flowers that we're going to shape. So I'm coloring that with the bamboo leaves. We're also going to shape those flowers with the flower shaping kit. Now, I did make the mistake of taking out a 2-leaf, and I really needed the 3-petal leaf for both sides. So I will change that in the video, because that was needed for another card. But I do just roll with it in this video, but I do change it when I do put everything together. So I'm just giving the flowers some quick coloring. I don't make them too dark. Everything is very light. That's all the coloring that I need, and I do cut each flower between the petals. I'm just showing you what I do, just so you have an idea of what to do. I don't do that for all the flowers because all the flowers are done. So now I'm going to shape them with a stylus. And what you'll want to do is get a stylus that is about the size of your petals. So I believe that the size I'm using is a 5mm. So hopefully the video is not going too fast. The cards take about 25 minutes to do, so I just did the video speed at, I think, 4 times that speed. Now I'm just showing you how I shape the flowers. For this particular card you need 4. And again, there's 2 sets of leaves and each leaf should have 3. And those are the prills that we will put in the centers of the flowers. Now I'm just shaping the leaves. I do shape the 2-petal leaf just because I save it for the next card. But again, I will change it in the next scene of the video. Okay, for the remainder of the card, I will just put the flowers on the card, and you can just watch me assemble that, and I'll play some music.
completes this video. This is the finished card. I hope you found this helpful in case you may have this kit or something. The card opens up like this. It stands up like this. I did turn off the light because it is a glare when I have the light on. Can barely see the card because it's so shiny. But I hope this view is helpful. It's not too dark. Okay, it's so pretty and sparkly. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.